This video will be all about how Ongoing works with integrations. It is meant for two kinds of organizations. First, third-party logistics providers who wish to onboard many different clients. And second, companies that operate their own warehouse and want the same integration power but on a smaller scale. Whichever group you're in, you'll see how Ongoing WMS lets your warehouses talk fluently with the rest of your business. As you can see here, Ongoing WMS sits at the center of a broad integration ecosystem. Around it, you'll find connectors for shipping platforms, e-commerce platforms, ERPs, return management systems, purchasing systems, automation equipment, and more. The goal is simple. Let data flow automatically so orders, inventory, and tracking information stay perfectly in sync without using spreadsheets or any manual retyping. By putting a strong focus on integrations and connectivity to other systems, Ongoing gives you the confidence to say, yes, we can connect our WMS to that when a customer or internal system comes along. To make all these integrations possible, we rely on three approaches. First, built by Ongoing. These are native integrations developed and maintained by our own integrations team. These cover the most popular shipping platforms, ERPs and web shops, and are included with your subscription. An hourly rate applies for any setup help you require from an engineer at Ongoing. Second, built by partners. These are complementary software vendors and integration specialists who publish their own integrations to Ongoing WMS. They extend the software ecosystem and provide setup help and first-line support for their solutions. We list around 200 integrations built by Ongoing and partners combined. And third, custom via API. For any other integrations that you may need, our modern REST and SOAP APIs, plus webhooks and an automation API, make this possible. Your own developers can build a tailored integration according to your customers' needs. Together, these three legs ensure you can integrate any system your warehouse encounters, whether you're a 3PL or a company that operates your own warehouse. Let's continue briefly with the third leg and our developer pages. Here you can find the different APIs and documentation for all of those. If you need a test system for development purposes, just reach out and we will set you up with one. On the left sidebar here, you'll find some implementation guides for the type of system you need to create an integration with. We even have some code examples and a GitHub repo for you to find here. And it's all there to make it as easy for you as possible to create the integration that you or your customer need. So a special note on the automation API. Ongoing has great support for connecting all of your automation equipment to our WMS, but we currently build no such integrations ourselves to automation equipment. This is instead done by our partners. Alright, let's look at our integrations list. You can filter here for the type of system that you're looking for, and here for if an integration is made by Ongoing or made by a partner. And you can filter here or type here to find the specific integration that you need. Each integration page should give an introduction on how to set up the integration and what data will flow between the systems. Now, let's see where to set up those native integrations inside of Ongoing WMS. I log in here as an administrator for my test system of Ongoing WMS, and then you would go to Administration and Integrations. And then simply click the Create New Integration button. Here you will see all of the native integrations that Ongoing offer. And if we take, for example, WooCommerce, we will see here that we need a URL for the web shop and the consumer key and a consumer secret. And then we'd need to choose which of our goods owners to have the data come to, and in this case, the WooCommerce customer. And then, of course, you need to get the settings right. And once you've done everything, you click Create and the integration is created. We won't do that now, but instead I'll just show you that once you've done that, you'll get the orders populated from WooCommerce here and your article registry coming from WooCommerce here. And also for a few of our webshop and ERP integrations, we rely on the OAuth flow. These integrations will be set up through an external app store that the system vendor offers. The Shopify App Store is a great example. We have nearly 1500 active integrations with Shopify, and the setup to connect the Shopify store to Ongoing WMS is literally only a few clicks away. So if I choose that in the list, you'll get the instructions on how you should use it or find it in the Shopify App Store. Let's finish where we started, back at the integration wheel. I hope that you got a good understanding on what Ongoing can accomplish in terms of integrations. The integration possibilities are what really sets us apart from other WMSs. And whether you're a 3PL onboarding dozens of new customers every quarter or a single brand managing your own stock, the integration possibilities are ready for you right now. You will be able to hook up almost any system in hours rather than weeks. So the next time a potential customer asks you, can you connect our webshop, our ERP or our automation equipment? You'll be able to answer with confidence, yes, Ongoing can. Thanks for spending the time to watch this video. If you like a personalized demo of our WMS or have questions around a specific integration, just get in touch.